Hi guys! So we're going to unboxing the tripod that I ordered in Amazon. We'll see how it looks. Kagabi pa ito dumating. Dala ng asawa ko pero nag-exercise pa kasi kami kagabi. Nag-walking. So pagdating namin dito, ano na ng gabi, 8:30 na ng gabi. So, hindi ko na siya binuksan. So, kagigising ko lang. Prepare ng pagkain. Ayan, tapos, eto, mag-unboxing muna tayo bago ano. What's this? ZHIYUN Smooth 4 and 3 Access Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer. So this is the top one. What is the best stabilizer, gimbal stabilizer for smartphone? And this ZHIYUN Smooth 4-3 Access Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer is on the top list. Top one of this. Jan jararan. Jan jararan. Jan jararan. There you go. So this one, I can use it in the mall. This one is like automatically like rotating, you know.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Is it a brand new one or used?
He said.
It's brand new?
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's a brand. I'm just excited. It's giving them. See, it says, say here, Smooth 4. It's in like a styrofoam. Have to be careful. And it's so nice. Look. A stabilizer. Sabi ko tinatamad na ako mag-YouTube pero hindi ko alam kung bakit nag-order pa rin ako nito. May mga ano siya, adjustment. Ito yung anyang USB. Ito yung kanyang pag gusto mong naka-stand lang siya. Napaka-simple lang niya. Let us try this. Naka-on. So, mayroon siyang mga nakalagay namin yung so, kung gusto mo siyang ipower.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you too. Have a good day. Okay.
Alright, drive safely. Bye. Love you. Okay. We're back to. So it's on now. Let me try my other phone. Okay, so on the next video, I will show you how to set up this gimbal stabilizer with your iPhone 11 Pro Max. And I hope it's gonna work well. Yes, and I'm so excited. I think I read the guidelines and it seems like it's easy to use it. So that's all, guys, for our unboxing today. I'm sorry, I just wake up and I'm just so excited to open it. I didn't even comb my hair, but I think that's all right. The most important is to show you the unboxing for Smooth 4 gimbal stabilizer. And here you can see it here. That's the most important. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. We'll see how it works later on. On the next video, I will show you how to properly install our new stabilizer to our phone. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you get notified for the next video of how to manually connect our stabilizer to our phone. So bye bye.